Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's do single axis tracker for solar panel. It will increase the efficiency about 15 to 16%, 15 to 20%. Like if your output is 100 watts, then it will give you by tracking by single axis, which is from east to west, and then again returning back to the west, it will increase about 15 to 21. So like 100 to if you are getting 100 watts, and then you get 120 watts. So that is a benefit for that, and when you do it in a large scale, that is very beneficial. So let's make a small prototype which is available on internet using Arduino Uno, two LDRs, two resistors, and a servo motor. Servo motor, I'm taking 9 grams. Yeah, 9 grams. Yeah. So servo motor has one signal pin, which is color orange, one positive 5, then again the negative. I don't think this is positive 5, but I am guessing it's positive 5. And these are the holders. I'll be showing you the prototype and I'll explain you just how I connected. I won't be connecting it right now, so I'll explain you the procedure first. Let me show you the diagram. See, this is the Arduino. This is the 11th pin, which is a signal pin, and then you have analog 0 and analog 1, which will read the readings of the resistors LDRs. As there is a difference between them, we are according to that we are programming it. Okay, and then one LDR is of east and another one is of west. They are connected to positive 5 and ground. So as you can see, I have made a single axis tracker. Let me say you what mechanical structure I have here. This is the cardboard where you get for the frame. You can buy it from the frame shop. They'll give you for 10 rupees. And then you have, I have applied M seal, not Adelaide, because Adelaide is not sticking to this. It's not that profitable for this kind of cardboard. So M seal is good. And then I have stick this also with M seal. I did stick, yeah. And then solar panel, you can see I just use a cell which is 2 watts and it will give you 0.5 volts. And you can see the connection of yeah, let me show you. This is the strings which I have connected, but these are soldering wires. I did not get any other option, so I'm using solar, and the holder is over here. I don't think you can see clearly, but see, Arduino. So this patch, this line is of 5 volts, which is connected to the 5 volts of Arduino. Arduino will get current source from the laptop option, and then see, you have analog 1, analog 0, analog 0 and analog 1. Oh, I think that's a problem for you. Like, I'll just zoom in. I think you people can see, right? Yeah, now properly. This patch is of 5 volts, the whole thing, and these are connected over here. And then you have a 11th pin which is connected to the signal of the servo motor. This is the 5 volts, and then this is ground of the servo motor, which is connected by Arduino. Arduino has capability of storing a program in this microprocessor, and LDRs. Now let's talk about LDRs. So this LDR, this LDR, this is the west one, and that is the east one. So when the sunlight is on west, the solar charge controller solar tracker will move on this side, and then at night time it again goes back to the east side, and from morning again it rotates.